guys, so we about to get right into this video. I really don't know how this is going to turn out, but we're going to go ahead and do it to the best of my ability. So I already started. I didn't have a shower cap, so I am doing a quick weave. So I didn't want the glue to bleed through, and I used a plastic bag to replace the shower cap. And that's my mother in the background, y'all. So if y'all hear someone else, that is why. So I just got these. Hold on. I just got these hair pieces from my local beauty store. It's not real human hair, but it comes in like bundles like it is. And of course this in 613, which is blonde. Also came with like a closure piece, like a bang piece. So that's what we will be using today. And I got inches 16, 14, 16, 18. Hopefully this turns out right, because y'all, if it don't, I'm gonna be mad. Alright guys, so I did have my mother help me while I was getting ready. But if you're confused, all you're doing is cutting out the track pieces and gluing it to the back. It's like how you would glue your track pieces in on your regular head. How you measure your back of your head, you cut it out, and you glue it down. And that's all. The only difference is I'm also using the Got To Be Glued freeze spray to hold that glue down and make sure that it stays on and it's tight. Right here, she's doing the same steps. She's measuring, then she cutting the track, putting down the Got To Be Glue where the track is going to be, putting the glue on the track, and laying the track. Okay, so basically here we're done with doing our tracks in the back of the head. And now once we apply our tracks, we're going to bring it all the way around. So from here on out, you're going to keep bringing your tracks all the way around your head or the head. So my camera ended up dying, y'all, but this is what we have. Now, the bag is going to come off. Again, this is going to be a bang wrap. So, let me just show you guys. This is how it's looking. And how long it is. This is the length. Really soft. To not be real, it's really soft. And it looks real. And then don't mind the glue because that's going to get covered. But just one or two more pieces to go right here. And then I'm going to make the actual closure piece to go right here. You'll see. I'm going to show y'all the end result soon. So right now I'm in the process of cutting the bang. I use the Got To Be Glue to like put down the stray hairs. So it will look natural as possible. And with the bang, I go up to like cut it more naturally, like the strays, like where the stocking cap at. I imagine this was like by my eyebrow. So I grabbed the hairs that's like closer to my eyebrow to figure out what part is going to be the bang. So I'm just trying to still see, like, you know, where my eyes going to be, so I know how long or how short I want my bang. So of course my eyes not all the way down here. I want to say they like right here. I mean, not my eyes, y'all, my eyebrows, not up there. But really, to do this part, I'm gonna just keep taking the wig on and off, just so I won't mess the bang up. And then I go too short and it's a mess. So, oh my gosh, like all this, I go up just to cut those hairs, like, so just go up, you know, just to give it a more natural look. You see how it look now? Like, it look better versus all of this, if you can tell. Okay guys, so I'm not gonna lie, I did mess the bang up, bend fast. It don't look too bad. It do look bad. But we're gonna fix it with trying to like flat on it. It don't look too bad, but like, as you can see, like right here is when it's like a little crooked. I was just rushing last night and this is what happens. I'm not mad right now because I feel like I can fix it with like the flat-ons, but part of me is so mad at myself. And if I sound a little congested, it's my allergies. So, but yeah, so we still haven't finished the top, and that's what I'm working on right now. This is a whole new day, y'all. So bring her closer. See, like, it's not too bad, but it's bad. Like, okay guys, so for the last part, I put glue on a piece of hair, and I kind of like, I don't know, I guess I just measured it by how big my hole is, which is this big. So I put glue on a piece of track, and then you want to start rolling it. Just keep on rolling it to the end of the track. It's really easy, and it's gonna be like this. Excuse my nails too, y'all. I'm just like looking like a whole bum right now, but that's not what this is about. So it's gonna look like this. And I just wait a second for it to like really stick all together. Then you want to flip it over because this is going to be a closure piece. So you want to flip it over. Just like that. Then you're gonna take your flat-ons and you're gonna go in the middle. To lay it down. directly in the middle, just like that. So now you've created your own bang closure. Now since this hair is blonde, the glue like comes out really bad, and it will go like this. But as you can see, I need to add more track to the head. Okay guys, so I just thought of something. This is a whole new piece of track, and I'm actually gonna fold it using the Ghost Blowing Glue, which I got from Amazon for I think $14.99. It works. I love how it works. So this is what I've been using lately to keep my closures and frontals in place. If you want to know more about it, I link. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this glue onto my track, so you won't see that black since this hair is blonde. And I also use the Be Glue Freeze Spray, which I've been using this whole time to put the tracks in along with the glue. I just used it on our new closure. So I used the Ghost Blowing Glue and this. So I sprayed both onto the track piece and rolled it. Okay, so this is how the new one looks. And it's some glue over here, because I had to seal it with glue because it wouldn't stay, guys. Like, it was so hard for it to stay. So if you do try this, just know it's gonna be kind of challenging, but it works, because here we have it. So now we're just gonna, I think I'm gonna actually use the Ghost Bond glue and freeze spray to actually keep this closure in place on top of her head. So see, once we put that there, it's just fine. So I'll be back. So I'm gonna use my Ghost Bond glue and my freeze spray to apply this on top of the head. And here she is. The bang do look kind of funny, y'all, but I'm really gonna try to make it work. Okay, hopefully this isn't a going wrong video. But yep, don't do like me and brush while doing a wig, because you will mess up. And don't try to cut it. If you're a beginner, do not try to cut your bangs with your wig on. Please don't, because I did. And look at my bangs. But we're going to try to get them all cute. BRB. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I flat on my hair, put on lashes, some foundation. Still like some little strays that I have to get, but this is the unit. This hair, by the way, was, I'm sorry, I'm looking at myself, but this hair, by the way, was $35. It came with 3 bundles, which was 14, 16, 18, and a bang closure that I did not use. I made my own, as you saw in the video. I think I look like Catwoman or somebody, y'all. But that's all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. Bye, charbabes. See you in the next